So this is a song I wrote. Like I said, it doesn't have a title. Before I begin though, I want all of you guys to lower your expectations from like here to down here. Cool?
Sounds good.
Sounds good? that way you guys can enjoy the song better. Alright. So yeah. I'm staring back at this road and oh shoot, sorry. And it's telling me that I should go home. It's telling me that there's nothing left to hold. And I won't lie, I don't wanna go home. Because this road is all I've ever known. If I go now, what will I have to show? And now I'm going on this road all alone, and all I got is this to go. To get back to that comfort zone I was in not so long ago. And I won't lie, I don't wanna go, because this road is all I've ever known. If I go